Ever had a stomachache and didn't know what to do? It's a common plight, isn't it? Stomach aches can strike anyone, anytime, and it's always handy to know a few home remedies. Today we're going to explore some of the best home remedies to soothe that pesky stomachache. First up, we have the refreshing peppermint tea. This little wonder is a powerhouse of soothing properties, working wonders to calm your upset tummy. Simply steep fresh or dried peppermint leaves in hot water for a soothing concoction. Just sip on this delightful brew and feel your discomfort melt away. Next, remember to steer clear of coffee. Although it's a beloved morning kickstarter, coffee's acidity can worsen stomach aches by stimulating excess stomach acid production. For the time being, bid adieu to your favorite espresso and give your tummy some much-needed rest. Moving on, we have two more soothing options, ginger tea and yogurt. Ginger tea, renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, can help soothe a troubled tummy. Simply steep some fresh ginger in hot water for a few minutes, and voila, your calming ginger tea is ready. As for yogurt, opt for the plain unsweetened kind. It's packed with probiotics, the good bacteria that can help restore balance in your gut. So whether you prefer a warm, comforting drink or a cool, calming snack, we've got you covered. Last but not least, let's not underestimate the power of a good old heating pad. When dealing with an upset tummy, a heating pad can be a real game changer. It works by relaxing your muscles, reducing cramps and soothing your discomfort. To use it safely, wrap it in a towel before placing it on your abdomen. Keep it on a low to medium setting and limit its use to 15 to 20 minutes at a time. Just apply it to your abdomen and let the warmth work its magic. And there you have it, some of the best home remedies for a stomachache. Each remedy, whether it's sipping peppermint tea, avoiding coffee, relishing ginger tea and yogurt, or using a heating pad, can provide soothing relief. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life for more helpful tips and tricks.